Hi, second graders. Today is Unit 4, Lesson 22 for Skills. And for the next few lessons, we're actually working on our end of unit assessments. So these videos are going to seem a lot shorter to you. What I'll do is I'll go through the directions for your assignment for the day, and then you guys can get started on them. Your learning target for today, I can complete my comprehension and grammar assessments. This is adjusted. Today's assignment will be just the comprehension assessment, and grammar is moved for in a couple days. It was split up into parts. So today's assignment, you're going to do your reading comprehension assessment. And what that means is you're going to read a story, and then you're going to answer some comprehension questions to show us that you understood what you read. So it is in your workbooks, but it is also going to be on your Google Classroom assignment. You're going to read a new story from the book, The Job Hunt, and you're going to answer the questions about that. You're going to continue to read about Kim and her job hunt in today's story. The name of today's story for your reading comprehension assessment is called The Tally. The word tally means to count or add things up. Okay, so when you hear the tally, it has to do with counting and adding things up. You must read the story first. After you read the story, you can complete the comprehension questions. Okay, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. It is Unit 4, Lesson 22. You're going to read the tally at the top of your Google form, and then at the bottom you have 10 multiple choice questions to answer about the story. Remember, this is very, very important. The answer to all of your questions is up here in the story, so if you're not sure, you should go back and reread the story. It will be here for you to look at again. Okay? That's all you have to do today. Read the tally and answer the comprehension questions. Take your time, try your best, and look back in the story if you get stuck or if you're confused.